Are you looking for your own private escape without sacrificing convenience? Welcome to 70 Wallaby Drive here in Mudgeeraba, a modern treehouse set on over an acre of land. The master suite offers vaulted ceilings, walk-in robe, and my favourite part, the luxurious ensuite, with gorgeous freestanding bath that overlooks the beautiful Hinton. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle where privacy and hinterland views take centre stage.